Hello, hello. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Hello world. What's up gamers? How's it going? Welcome in everyone. I just realized I forgot water, so I'm gonna go run and grab that while this loads up. I will be right back. Hello, hello, hello. Back. Oi. Okay. Wait, what's going on? Might be 2 instances of the chat monitor running? What do you mean? How is everyone today? Oh! I see what you're talking about, like, up there. Why is that doing that? That's so weird. I don't know how to fix that. I'll just turn it off for now. Chat box. Boom. That's really weird. I don't know why that would happen. Yo, Lucas, thank you for subscribing, my man. I don't know if a notification is gonna pop up in a sec. What am I coding today? I'm gonna be coding just some fixes. Some little bug fixes here and there.
Hi Dan, can you speak French again?
Yo, Dars, thank you for the donation. And yes, I can. Ready? Bonjour. That means hello. Yo Scott, salut. I think that means hello, but it's like non-formal, you know what I mean? And then I can count to like 5. Un, deux, trois. Maybe 3. Only 3. Never mind, I changed my mind. I'm just embarrassing myself. Is the music too loud? I think it's a little too loud for me. I'm gonna yank it down just a little bit. Yeah. There we go. And let me pull this down. Pull this up. Yeah, I don't know, can you see that guitar? I just got a drill. I actually installed a shelf that's right above me now. And then I installed that wall mount. It's the first time ever using a drill. I think it turned out okay. Also, here we are. We're in game. Okay. So I guess we're sticking with this map. We're just gonna try to optimize this one. Yeah. Do I use color palettes like for like UI and stuff? Yeah, sometimes. I code an apple dropping tree? Yeah. Oh, dude. iPro, good luck, man. Where are you releasing it? Also, is my mic too loud? Am I too close? I've been adjusting a lot of things, and I just want to make sure everything's still good. I feel like this is better. I feel like a lot better than this. So there was one problem. Let me find it. It was with the character creation. Basically, the tutorial would pop up. Whenever the player would join, and it would like override on the intro, and it just looked a little weird. So let me figure out where that's at. It's been a minute. You like the ASMR? Oh, dude, speaking of ASMR, ready? Got this candle here. Let's get this thing lit. Hold on, ready? How can I do this where the camera can see it without burning myself? Oh, I'm not left-handed. This is difficult. I'm gonna burn myself. I'm just gonna do it like this. I'm sorry. Oh, yeah. Got some, a Walmart candle here. This is called Vanilla. Vanilla. You see the eye? I don't know if you can see the eye. This thing doesn't autofocus. There we go. Got a little vanilla candle there. Put it right. Yeah. Beautiful. Okay, so to get started, I just need to fix that real quick, but I don't know if it's in here. Give me one sec. I just want to make sure there's no sensitive information in this file here. Okay. So there is none. We're good. Okay, so basically we just have this tutorial start here. And this gets sent to the player. However, let's just go ahead and change something up so it doesn't actually make it pop up. Where would this be? I'm just gonna Control F. Okay, so instead of doing this, what I want to do is just say, what do I want to do? We'll say local player dot waiting tutorial equals true, and then whenever they click the play button, oh dude, don't even look at that. This was AIDS. Hide, what am I looking for? Character menu, make pop up. What is this? What does that pop up? Great intro. Okay. So we want to call show tutorial. Should wait. What is should wait? Why was this a thing? I mean, this is not even being used. I don't know why. Okay. Call that there. Oh, and we only want to call this if they're waiting the tutorial. Then we'll call show tutorial. Yeah. Okay, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Why not use VS Code? I'm used to Sublime, you know? Dude, the frames are awful on this map. Sorry. Yeah, Sublime is just what I'm used to. 155 years? Holy shit! Wow. Somebody take a picture. I'm gonna take a picture. Gotta let him know. Show it to my mom. 206 viewers. Holy shit. Hold on. Jesus Christ. Yeah, dude. Apparently. That's insane, dude. Thank God I don't have any uncopyrighted or any copyrighted music in here. Wow. Outstanding. Welcome in, everybody. Obviously, everyone's real, right? I don't know why anyone would do this. $240. It says it up on the top right. Wow. That's insane. Holy shit. Hold on. $270 viewers. This is insane. Oh my god. One day, bro. It's gonna be like that, I promise. Like all the time. Okay. I guess one thing I can do, like we got these guys, right? They got them in their uniform. For some reason I'm pressing E and nothing's happening. Uh-oh. Is something broken? That's crazy. Well, I don't know why this isn't working. Okay, that's a thing to fix, I guess. I don't know what happened here. Entities. I don't even know what these guys are. Shop underscore base, maybe? Market menu. POI, shop print. No. Oh, wait, why is this? Why am I getting rate limited? Is rate limit broken? Wow, 319 viewers. Yeah, I'm assuming someone botted me, but you know, I just gotta do it for the clout, you know. Say, hey ma, look at this. I had 319 people watching me. Yeah, so I don't. Something's going on with the rate limit here. I don't know why. I wonder. I'm just gonna actually do a map change real quick. Just in case. You know. Welcome to the famous. Yeah, man. I made it. You know. I wonder if this counts towards my watch hours. 346 viewers. Rate limit can't break? Oh, then I don't know, Xav. I didn't really touch it. I'm just gonna reload it. See what happened. Damn, that's a lot of people. Yeah, dude. And just so you know, I'm being completely ironic when I mention the cloud. I guess so. This is what it's like to be famous. 346 people. That's like 10% of the people at my high school. Wow. Imagine that. Hmm. I'm just popping off today, you know? With this pop-in stream. Everyone just wants to see me code. Oh, we're at 282 now. It's going down. I guess so, yeah. I think someone's botting me. Just kind of watching that view count now. It's crazy. I know my friend one time, he was streaming and he was playing Fortnite. And there was some, I guess like gambling website that like hosted him. And he had like 3,000 people watching him at once. And like they were all placing bets on his Fortnite game. Like imagine that, dude. Like that was insane. Hey Walrus, how's it going, dude? So like why? Why would they do that? Like what's the point? You know? I had people dislike bot me a while ago on one of my videos. Another stream a while back, I was playing Call of Duty, someone botted me. And I don't know why. Like there's no one's hinted at it at all. The only people that I could imagine that would do something like this would probably be the community that rated me on Discord. But I don't know. Hey, sure. Charlie's over here to my right. Also, sorry, I'm just waiting for the server to restart here, so we're kind of just chilling at the moment. Yeah, true. And I don't know if it really helps me on YouTube as much as it would help me on like Twitch, you know? Because like, do viewers really mean anything on YouTube? Like, does my shit get recommended to more people? Yeah. So I don't know. I don't know how it works. If there's actually any benefits to it. You guys see Charlie? Hey Charlie. Look how cute he is. He's a handsome boy. Let me see if I can actually move this a little bit so you guys can see him a bit better. So I think you guys like Charlie. He likes the fame. Okay, back in. Let's see what's going on with the rate limit here. Well, it seems like it might be busted. Maybe something got messed up. I don't know where the rate limit is exactly, but maybe I just didn't pull something that I need. Let me do something. Print table, self.rate limits. Yeah, dude, we're popping off with the viewers today. Oh, we can't print in this rate limiter. This is inside xlib. Okay, yeah, so maybe I'm just missing something in xlib. Let me just pull from there. You never know. Can you make a video on how to make that server intro screen? Yeah. How did I learn to get into this? Basically through friends. Also, is my gain really high? It's not. Yeah, through friends, through forums, all that good stuff. I actually have a Lua tutorial series. I don't know if you're how familiar. Your code is likely not running at all to begin with. No, it is. I put a chat print, and then it just is whatchamacallit. Like, look, POI chat print. No. See? It's running Xave. So I don't know what the issue is here, but I do have to pull for xlib, so that could be it. Maybe that was it. Let me just make sure I'm on top of everything here. Put a number in your rate limiter. Okay. Roger. Like 1, for example. Any errors here? Yeah, no. Use underscore simple. It's simple underscore use. No, it's the right use type. This just stopped working randomly. And this is okay. The util.add network string for this is in a different file. The problem here is that the chat print is running, meaning that this code is not running to begin with. So that's not what I'm worried about, because the chat print is the issue. This chat print shouldn't run. You know? Charlie, please, bro, leave me alone. Man's just going wild for that ball today. Yeah, so I don't know what the issue is here. It just stopped working randomly. I'm not gonna bother with that. I feel like I'm gonna be here all day with that. So I'm gonna come back to that. But one thing I want to do is polish up some things. Like, for example, like they have like regular clothing, that's fine. I just want to diversify how the NPCs look. Like, this is like the default look here. But I feel like I should change it up. Charlie, please leave me alone, man. Could you ever do a tutorial and that no clip thing you have when your no clip says is cloak active? Yeah, I mean I could, yeah. Basically you can just check the move type or set a flag on somebody and then that'll determine whether or not they're no clipped, and then your HUD paint check on the local player or just some local variable saying, is this flag active? And if it is, then draw the text. You know? But yeah, so I want to change up the clothing on these guys to make it a bit nicer. So give me 1 second. I need to look at something that is kind of sensitive information. It's based on Dark RP. Okay, give me 1 second. Okay, we're good. So basically what I'm going to do here is create a table full of clothing here, and I'm going to apply the clothing to the entities. So let me see. where that is done, because I know it's not here. Oh, it's right here. Clothing.mail bodies, true. Okay, so updates to clothing. I think this is handled in the map section. So we go to Florida, SV settings, and then we want to find our shop base here. So basically, this is the code that gets called after the entity is spawned, and we override the clothing here. And so I'm gonna basically use the same thing here. Yeah. Also, we're gonna remove darker P, so this thing runs without darker P. Oh, I love you too, man. Hi, Jennifer. Welcome in. So we're gonna do if feed type equals drugs. Yeah, we're gonna do it for drugs. Then we're gonna set up this table here in our clothing, and we'll call this drug clothes. And so we can set up some clothing for them to have. So I don't really know what to put here. I'm just gonna pick some random clothing so they just don't have the default clothes, you know? Also, I think this is stuck. Everything's busted today. And I don't know why. Okay, I'm gonna reload this map, but I can still code it with while that loads up. Let's see. I'm gonna get some regular ball caps in there. We already got these. I don't want this. Don't need this. What other hats do we want? Look at the Supreme hat. Hey Rowdy, how's it going, man? Welcome in. Obviously the ball cap weed. Is this one finished? I think that one is actually. Okay, I think that's good for hats. Next for the glasses. Oh wait, no, wait, we got beanies. I totally forgot about these. Get a red beanie in there. Good variety. Yeah, no, the views are pretty high. Okay, I'm just gonna get some shirts in there. Gonna get rid of the blue dress shirt. No need for that. There's a June update? I didn't even know Gmod updated. Or was that with the voice change? Or the voice quality update? Hey Maninator, how's it going, dude? Okay. I think that's good there. Shoes were good there. I think that should be good for the most part. I mean, we have a lot of shirts. We don't have a lot of pants. Oh yeah, we need this shirt, obviously. Oh wait. Shirts. Get that there. Okay. So what I'm going to do is just kind of rip this code here. Cashier clothes. Instead of cashier clothes, this will be our drug clothes. So I want the odds of having a hat to be pretty high. That's fine. We'll just rename this to drug clothes. Good with me. Okay. 36 viewers. I mean, that's still pretty good. I think that might be real at this point. I don't know. Okay. So maybe the rate limit is fixed now? Maybe? It's not. This guy still has his normal clothes. But let me see, I think I can just go into here, save this file a few times, and it might reload the files. Close this door. What should I add in to the server? Like, I don't know what to keep going forward. Like, I feel like I'm kind of hit like a wall. Oh my goodness. My dog wants in, he wants out, bro. Make up your mind. Okay. Are we good now? Let's see if I can reload the ends. I forget what the command is called. It's like reload something. I'm gonna find it. Okay, here we go. And then it's respawn ends. Oh! Looking good, looking good. Okay. 10 out of 10. This code is running. Okay. Yeah, there's definitely a lot of improved stuff on Twitch. I think once I get monetized on YouTube and like things are okay, I'll probably swap over to Twitch for streaming because I feel like it's easier to grow on Twitch in terms of once you have a base of viewers. How do you call the darker P config file? Like, what do you mean by call it? Yeah, I feel like once you have a base of people, like actually watching you, it's easier to grow on Twitch. However, like if you have nobody watching you, I feel like it's impossible to grow. So, but I think it's easier for people to grow on their own on YouTube, in my personal opinion, or at least that was for me. And then I can take what I've gained from YouTube in terms of some form of following and use that to grow on Twitch. You know? Okay, let me see if this is running now. Nope. Reload ends. I don't think that's running. Okay, so this code right here is obviously not updating yet. So I think things are a little busted. Everything's a little busted. Oh, there we go. The rate limit works good now. I don't know what was up with that. One thing I want to change. Oh, dude, this side thing right here that I updated just looks so much better. Okay. I don't know. I don't know. What's the move? What's the move? So I fixed the thing with the intro, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I don't know. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Car dealer is good. Mining system is good. What is the next move, gentlemen? Let's think about making a way to maybe upgrade your weapons and give some buffs to them. You want Modern Warfare streams? Dude, I gotta get a better computer for that. My computer can't handle it. Yeah, maybe I'll make a way to upgrade things. Let me see if I can find a good model. Maybe like some crafting table or something. Just a nice table would be good. Let's see what I can find. What is that? What is this? Kind of neat. Oh man. Could have sworn we had a crafting table, but I don't know which model it is. Use the pink table? This one? Oh, that one doesn't even spawn. Table shed. This would be a good one. Oh, nope, not on the server. Oh, that one looks good. Look at that. Missing texture. Beautiful. Coffee table long. Nope, don't have that one. Oh, yeah, this one's kind of cool. Whatever, screw it. We don't need a table right away. I'll probably just use this one for now. Actually, I don't know. I'm so damn picky. Looks like a bench. I don't know. I don't know. Okay. Let's see. I was working on a marketplace. I could improve that a little bit. Let's see. Just trying to get inspired here. You have a bench model? You got a link, bro? Should I start working on a battle pass? Should I make a battle pass right now? Ugh. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna make a battle pass. Is that bad? No, it's not bad. It's not bad. Because it's what do you guys think? Battle pass or no? So right now, with crafting, the attachment system, like if you want an attachment on your gun, the attachments are given at random. And add missions. The mission system would be kind of cool. But I mean, we kind of already have that. We have the task system, which are kind of like missions. And then there's rewards. You know? I was trying to make it so you can make your own smelters, but it's like kind of busted. Like whenever you place it. Yeah, failed to place item due to collision issues. It's not my code though. I don't really know how to fix it. I think it might be a problem with the physics model maybe. But I don't really know. You feel? What if I change the model? Thing is, I've tried to fix it already, and I don't really know how to. Without really redoing it. So what I want to do, because Xavier's working on the entity inventories, and once we get the entity inventories, I'm gonna redo all the furnaces and make it a bit better. Because I want there to be like an inventory section. Like, no, Sharp, I think you have something in your portfolio that I was looking at. It had an ore thing. You would put ore into like a little slot there, and then the bars would show up on the right side. Like that was really cool. I want to make something like that. I'm just waiting on the inventory system for that. Let's see. What's something fun? I'm gonna look at the workshop real quick. Give me one moment. Your XP boost stay after expiry, you keep the effects. Are you sure about that? Let's make one right now. Alright, so this one's gonna last for 2 minutes. Let's try that. Okay. Click that, or 1 minute. And then let me go do something. Let me go smack some rocks. Okay, I already noticed a problem. I don't know if it's because this is one, if it's an XP boost that wasn't initialized at server start, so it just added it in, but it's not popping up at the top. Yeah, it is rust, bro. It's based off of Darker P, but honestly, it wouldn't take more than like 20 minutes to move it off of Darker P. Okay. So the XP is going up a lot slower now. What I can do is actually, let me just debug this real quick. Skills, advanced skill. Okay. New XP, pure XP. Rewarding XP, XP. Okay, and then I don't know how the database is set up because I actually didn't write the database for it, but you can have a table full of players, and then each player can have an ID, and then you can have a table full of skills, and each skill can have the current XP stored with it, and a player ID, and you just basically look up that entry in the table based on the player ID, and you assign the player ID whenever they first join, and if they don't have a player ID yet, then you create one for them. And that's about it, to be honest. Okay, let me get this thing open here. So rewarding XP 8, and then we'll take that test thing that we had. Okay. XP boost enabled. Okay, yeah, so you can see that's giving the right amount, and then also whenever you get ore from the swing, it gives you additional XP. So whenever you smack this little thing here, it gives you additional XP. Oh. Okay, in 3 seconds, it should disable. And you can see it's good. It's only rewarding the actual thing, so that's fine. The only thing I'm concerned about is the fact that it's not showing the boost. And I think that's just because of the item wasn't initialized at the start of the server, which that could be dependent on. So I think a map reload might fix that. So I'm just going to do that, and then we can also check out the NPCs while we do that. Yeah, it is like Rust. Yes, yes, yes. Oh yeah, yeah, no, I do have the recent Chad donator, so if you guys want to pop up on there, all you got to do is donate any amount, and then you'll be on the list. Also, you get a supporter rank in my Discord. Get a little gold tag. I don't really know what else to do. I was thinking about making maybe like I don't even know. I don't know. I want to do something nice in return. I'll think about it. Making OnlyFans? Yeah. Honestly, I was thinking about it, you know? I could do that, but it's like I'd want to add support for like syncing up their Discord to like their donation, but like I don't know the best way to approach that. You know? Ow, Shirley. Stop. That's okay. I don't know. I'll think about something. Oh, see now that's a good idea. Can OnlyFans be used for that? Really? Get your ball. I felt like OnlyFans was just you know, for the goodies. Or I could use Patreon. That there's also that. Yeah, yeah. Let's think about maybe also uploading the code. Like if I was to do a Patreon, maybe upload the code from the tutorials directly onto there, so you wouldn't have to sit through and watch the entire video if you just want to copy it. You know what I'm saying? Charlie, please chill. Relax, man. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I'll look into setting that up. The problem is though, I don't have access to all the code from my previous tutorials. I would have to sit there and rewrite it, but I do have some of them. Like recently, I've been storing them away on the side if I need to reference it later. Charlie, please chill. Little boy. He just takes his ball and he puts it on my hand and just stares at me. But I might. I mean, it might be worth it. You know, people might actually need it. Or I could just say, hey, like, up until this part, this is what I have. I don't know. We'll see. Oh yeah, I could ask people for their copies. That's also true. That might be a good idea. Charlie, please leave me alone. Okay. Charlie, get down, bro. Please. Okay. Why did I restart? What was I doing? I was working on something. Oh, the skills. First let me check on this. Oh yeah, there we go. Now he has like normal clothes on. And he doesn't have like the default clothes. That's nice. Sweet. Then there's another guy. Let me go check on him as well. You like the candle? I like the candle too, man. It is a nice candle. It was like $3 at Walmart. You'd happy copy all the code on my behalf? Oh, dude, that'd be sick. I'd appreciate that. Now look at this guy. We got him here. Look at that. Look at that sup meme. Oh, dude, the res is so low on that. You can't even see it anymore. Why is that so low? Oh, the rate limit's broken again. It's not my fault, I promise. And there's no errors, so I don't get why that's breaking. Okay, back to the mine. Oh, you mean like in terms of like the crafting? How much do they sell for? Hey, Bitcoin, how's it going, dude? I'll look into that. But regardless, it takes time, you know, and people need ways to make money. Like 140 or something, that's fine. Because I think if you sell the resources on its own, you could get maybe just as much. No biggie. XP boost. This is the one we want. 1 minute. Okay, let's give this a test now. Make sure that's good. Okay, so it's not popping up on the HUD. Just gonna print this real quick. So that is alive. is active. So let's see if that prints. That's not printing. Okay, so this is the problem. Dot item. Okay. Let me print this here. XP underscore boost test. Okay. So then what if I print item? Make it. That's not right. I don't think. It should be a table. Print item dot skill. Print item dot name. Oh wait, that works. So this one doesn't have a skill associated with it. Okay, so that's an issue here. Okay, so I think the global XP boost, since they don't have a skill, that might be the flaw. Let's see. Yeah, that's definitely it. Okay. True. Else if not, or else if item and not item dot skill, then XP boost equals true. Can you save the stream? I'm actually not sure if I'm gonna save it. Yeah, I'm not 100% sure. I don't. I think it automatically saves. But I've been messing with some settings, so I don't know about this one. When am I getting VR headset? Oh, I don't know, man. Maybe sometime in the future, you know? Okay, let's see if that fixes it. Oh. It's popping up, but it shouldn't now. Okay, so that's an issue. Uno momento. Let's see, how do we do this? Get boost active. Automatic XP boost, remove active boost. So that does that. Where do I remove the XP boost? Okay, so this is running. And then what I'll do here is I'll just go boom, else. So if it's not greater than current time and he has no time left, then we'll just fall back here and we'll say active XP underscore boost equals nil. Okay, that seems fine. I like superior. But S is fine too. But yeah, just go with superior. Superior is fine. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and give myself an XP boost. Give that a go. Okay. And it seems to be working now. You can see the boost, the additional XP that you get. I think. Let me look at that. Let me wait for that to go away. Alright. Smack this. So the X... He was 16... Okay, hold on. Let me just put something in chat here so I can clear out the console. And then let me smack this. Okay, so that was a total of 16 times 2. Hold on. My brain is slow. Original XP reward. Let's include that so I can understand this a bit better. Okay, so original XP reward was 16, rewarding XP, okay. And then let me give myself a bunch of XP boosts so I don't have to keep doing this. Okay. Okay, so original XP was 32. How the hell did we get to 40? Oh, wait, so we get... Original, so it's 16. That makes no sense. I guess the better way to test this would to be woodcutting, because it doesn't give 2 rewards at once. Okay, this one's giving 2 XP too. Okay, so 8. 8 times 2 is 16, that makes sense. Okay, my concern is this portion here. I want to make sure that that's correct and showing the correct amount, you know? Okay. See, that's fine. That works good. So obviously if there's a 2 times XP enabled, when I swing without any... Oh, well that was weird. Just get 8 plus 8. That's good. Totally fine. 32. Okay. I guess it's good, right? Well, yeah, since it's 2 times XP, you're getting the same amount. Okay, I think that's good now. Then let me just make sure it works for a different, like the non-all XP boost. I want to make sure it's good for, like, targeted ones. So let me get that going here. For example, like, I don't know. I guess we could just do woodcutting again. So let me slap that one on. So I got woodcutting. Let's see here. You smack this tree. There we go. Okay, all seems good. Thanks, dude. Good luck. Have a good day, man. Appreciate you. That really helps out a lot. Okay, let's get that there. That there. Okay, I think that's solid. Is there any prints left over here? We're good. We're good. Okay, that's solid. XP boosts, I believe, are fixed. So let me actually commit that. Hey Snoopy, how's it going, dude? Or should I say Gmod series? Oh yeah. Okay. Commit. Add drug dealer clothing to NPCs. You don't need this test item anymore. Get rid of that. And then show tutorial after intro or after play button is clicked the first time. How's life? Life is okay. It's weird, you know? It's crazy how fast things can change within a few days, maybe a couple hours even. It's crazy. You know, people are coming back in my life that I didn't expect them to, and it's weird. I don't know how to react. Yeah, it's okay. So I honestly I think for a large portion of this, the coding is fine. The next part is just optimizing this awful map. To be honest. And then after that will be golden because I really like this map, and I think it's cool and it's kind of unique in some ways, and I would really love to use it. The frames are just really bad. So we got to get to optimizing that. We were running into some problems whenever we were doing that. Don't recall exactly what they were, but we're looking to find someone who could potentially optimize the map. One thing I want to do is maybe redo the building system a bit better. I feel like that would be kind of cool. Because it's kind of a mess right now, actually. I mean, not really a mess, but okay, maybe a little bit of a mess. Like, look at this loop. Oh my goodness. I need to think of a way to improve this, and then I want to make it so there's like certain areas. Because right now you can just build in a property, and that's it. And you can only build on that property if you are an owner or a co-owner. And yes, it's just not. It's fine in terms of that. Like that's what I originally wanted, but now it's like, what if I want someone to set up like a DJ little thing here at the park, or I wanted them to place down like a game of chess so people could play chess at the park, or whatever, you know. And there's no support for that. You cannot build outside on a property that you don't own. So I want to make public properties that anyone's able to build on in some ways, and have some additional restrictions on like what can be placed on these properties, you know. And so forth. So yeah, I don't know. Improve the cost system. Hunting's fine for the most part. Mining's good. Mugging's good. Override. Paintball player. Real estate. Task. System update. Should make it an option to allow public properties. Yeah. Yeah. Can I test that apartment thing? Oh, what apartment thing? Like building and apartments? On a property here. This one's on Bay Street. Let's go to that one. I don't know why it popped up in red too. It should be green, I'm pretty sure. Unless apartments are just red. Yeah, let me test that. I'm pretty sure it works. Here we go. Personal property right here. And then let me add in some bots real quick. If I just go here, manage property, I can add an owner, add bot, remove owner. There's bot. That's good now. Unlock. Open. And then let's see. My weed tent. How'd you make the custom door head? Basically it's just using 3D 2D, and then you just cache all the doors, and then you draw on the door based on the angles and relative to where the player is looking. Yeah, 3D 2D. So yeah, the building seems to work fine just here. What happens if I sell this property? Can I do that? No, I can't sell it from here. I have to talk to the real estate agent to do that. Also, I think there was a problem with the pop-ups here, where it was saying like it needed light when it already had light. So I'm gonna look into that now. So we got soil here. Slap that down. Okay. And then some lights going. Why is this a max of 60? Oh, that was weird. Oh, it's already, because I had some there. Okay, never mind. Forget I said anything. Okay, put our seeds there. Take our watering can. Looking good, looking good. I think it's fine at the moment. Give me a second. I'm actually going to open up the list. I have a whole list of issues. Let me look at those real quick. That could be useful to check out. Uno momento. Oh, I have to sign in. Give me 1 sec. How long did it take you to get this point of development? Over a year. But a lot of that time, it probably took like 6 months, 6 or 8 months to get it to like a really good point. And then there's just been like a lot of breaks and hiccups in between that kind of slowed things down. Give me 1 sec. I need to use my Google Authenticator to log in. Oh shit. Okay. Make it so you can buy players so they can build. Well, the thing is, I don't want people to buy it at all. Like, I want it to be just like a public space that anyone can build on, for the most part. How many of my add-ons have been denied on Gmod Store? At least like 4, probably. Okay, give me 1 sec while I look at these issues. Hey Tom, welcome in, man. I didn't mean to skip you. Hello. So apparently there's 100 issues. Okay, this is fixed. I already fixed one of these issues. What would they be called? The denied ones? I'm actually gonna make a video on that at some point. So I'll show you that then there, but there's a few. Like, oh, I guess like D props was one that got denied, so I just put that on the workshop. Let's see. Cleaver does damage. I don't know if this is confirmed. Okay, so apparently there's an issue where the cleaver will hurt people. Let me look into that. So let me yoink. Okay, let me go to one of these guys. Also, the names are broken. That's Darker Pete's fault, not mine, I promise. Okay, cleaver. Do I have a cleaver? I do. Yeah, no, you can't swing on them. You're good. That's fixed. Okay. Uno momento. Be right back while I close this. It's a lot of work to create a role-playing game mode. I mean, actually, it just depends what you want in it. But I don't know if it's worth it. I mean, I think Darker P is fine. You know, it's not too complicated. This issue was opened 4 months ago, but that's surely been closed. Can you make a tutorial for a 3D 2D HUD? Like in terms of what? Like what would you want to see with 3D 2D? Okay, I have an idea actually of something I want to do. So, with the weapons, I think what I want to do is add support for is a hatchet in here? Various like pickaxe types. So like one swings faster than the other, one does more damage, one takes less stamina, stuff like that. I want to see if I can figure out how to do that. Like a third-person HUD? Oh, yeah, that'd be kind of cool, actually. That would be a neat one. What I'd want to do if I'd make a tutorial like that, find like a game that you like, and that has kind of like a HUD that you are interested in, and I'll remake that HUD. Like, I think, what people find more interesting, as I'm realizing while I make my videos, like, for example, like the GTA-style death screen, like, that one did really well. It was, like, one of my top videos, in terms of performance for, like, the first couple of days. So I think the move for me is to make videos on stuff that like is kind of like popular in terms of like games. So if you want to make like a 3D 2D HUD, you can find a game that has one similar to the one that you're interested in, and I'd be happy to do that. But yeah. Okay. So like we have like this mining speed variable here, but this is not being used. So let me find the tool category. The division? Okay, yeah, I could do something like that. Okay, so I need a couple files open here. I'm gonna clean up my workspace here just so I can think a little bit better. Keep this one open. Weapons, we'll keep that one open. And then additionally, we need to get into the TFA weapons. Or CSI Darker P weapons, Lua weapons, pickaxe, shared, move speed, primary damage, reach, bash delay. There's not a lot of variables on this. This is using the base here, so we might have to actually edit the base. Melee base, melee base. Okay. So, oh, actually, next swing, sound time, iron sights, iron POV. We got a lot of stuff here, actually. Ammo. Motorized. Okay, we don't need this. Bash delay, bash length, sound delay. RPM. Okay, so we have an RPM here. I just want to try editing the actual pickaxe here and change the RPM. I don't know what this will do, but what if I say like 50? And then what about that? We might actually have to strip weapons and then give the pickaxe back. How did I configure the properties? Did I use door IDs? No, I actually used, actually I'll show you. For the doors, everything is automated for finding them and assigning the owner and stuff. How it works is by using a box. Let me find that. Weapons, real estate tool. Show all bounds true. Okay, so you can see there's just basically a bunch of squares here. And you have like the minimum and maximum point, which is defined by a tool. And that gets slapped into a config. And then everything is stored in a table, which will give a property an ID. So basically like the first property will be property 1. And then when you loop over that list, you go to purchase a property, you send the ID of what you're trying to buy. So for example, if I send 1, then if this was like the first property, it'd be this one. Then it takes that minimum and maximum point that is stored on the table, and then it loops over all the door entities within there, and then applies the owner to those doors. And then whenever you remove or sell a property, it does the same thing, but just removes the owner. And then on startup, I'm pretty sure we apply the name of the property and the price of the property on the door on startup. So yeah, just like that. Okay, so we got the RPM here. Let me go ahead and smack some rocks. Yeah, no problem, dude. No problem. Okay, I'm gonna set this to like 5,000 just to be extreme. And then I'm gonna Lua me get active weapon, get class, and print that out. Then I'm gonna strip this weapon. Okay, so I don't have that anymore, and then I'm gonna re-give it, so I'm pretty sure it'll recreate with the new information. Oh wow, that's busted. Okay. Well, let me look at the default value again. What was the default value? It was 45, or no, 60. Okay, so 5,000 is obviously too high. Let me do like 100. Okay. This is so fast. Okay, that's kind of sick, actually. Wow. Okay, so I think if I add in these tools, I might want to add in durability for them. I'm not sure. Oh. So the RPM works, and that actually just like really improves the weapons a lot. I'm gonna take this right here, this transform item, and then we're gonna go into our tools, categories right here. Okay, so we don't need this. Item dot original weapon. Okay, primary. We don't need this. Don't need that. Kick up primary dot kick up. So we want primary. What was it? If primary dot RPM, then equals item dot RPM, or no, item dot I will just do RPM and item dot RPM. Then that. Don't need that. Don't need this. Okay. So basically what this is going to do now is it's going to basically create a new weapon with the new RPM. So that's pretty sick. And then if item.rpm, then RPM equals item.rpm. Okay. So now that we got that, looking good. And we need sh items. Where is that at? Sh items. Save that. We got an error. Okay, attempt to counting field original weapon. Nil value. Original weapon. Item.original weapon. Okay, where is that set? Oh, right here. On item registered. So we want that to be set up. Just like that. And then we'll resave this, and pairs table expect got nil. What line? 132. Table merge. Let me resave this. 132, 172. Okay, so 172. Where is this called? Or no? Okay, 172. We get this here. You don't need this anymore. So that calls that up to 26. 32. It looks like a no. Bad argument number 1. To what? Where does this close? Where does swept come from? Is it just a global thing? Sorry if you guys hear Xavier in the background. Okay. Give me uno momento. I'm just gonna slap some prints here. Okay, so nil is swept. Why is that no? Let me hop back into the weapons file here. Oh, okay. This is what we got here. That's what I'm missing. That's kind of important. Let me slap that up here. Local swept, fire modes, we don't need that. Category, okay. That might have been the issue. So now let me resave this. And we're good. Okay. Let's hop back into that category real quick. Don't need that. Okay. Let me see if we got new items here. We don't. I think we're good in terms of that. I'm gonna do... Yo, Rowdy, actually, I'm sorry. I know you just finished the during animations video, but if you could start from the beginning. I have everything past the GTA video. I should have mentioned that. I'm so sorry. But I appreciate your effort, man. But yeah. No, I'm good on that video. I'm so sorry. Okay, I think the default one was 60. Yeah, it is 60. So for this item now, where are we at? So yeah, everything before the GTA one is what I need. RPM equals 60. Let's see if this works now. I'm gonna save this. Reload inv. And we get weapon name. Concatenate weapon main avail value. Wait, why is that running? What did I do? I broke it. Where's the pickaxe? RPM is 60. Okay, so that's working. I'm gonna pop a map change real quick. I just broke some stuff. Man, this is playing Fortnite. Also, I'm noticing my webcam as it's getting a little darker. Things are getting out of focus. Let me fix that real quick. Why is it so dark? Everything before the GTA death screen. I don't know about that one. Give me one sec. Really get down. Okay. So now what I can do, now that I just developed this, I can add in different types of pickaxes, different types of hatchets, some that swing faster than others, and we can do so much more with it. And it's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be so sick. That way there's more variety. And then I can reduce the value of some pickaxes while the value for other pickaxes are better. Yes. It's gonna be sick. I don't know if I should add in durability for them. We'll see. Gotta think about that one. But I'm excited for that. Give me one second. I want to find some different music. Yeah, there we go. Music's not playing on stream? You guys can't hear it? Also, hi, Vested. It's like really quiet. It's like a little bit of some guitar right now. Okay. So something's definitely busted here. Gotcha, gotcha. I don't even know why this is getting called. Oh wait, I know why it's getting called. So something's busted with my inventory. I gotta figure out why. Categories. We got 2 on item registers here. That could be the issue. Okay, let me go into the weapon shop code and figure out what is happening. I'm pretty sure that's getting called whenever I try to open up the inventory. Let's see. EGY. RP shop. CL underscore RP shop. 297. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Oh. I definitely broke something very important. Shit. Oh. Okay. I see the problem. Hey Frosty, thanks for stopping by, bro. Hope you have a good day at work. Okay, so the issue is there's new class names being created for these weapons. But that shouldn't be an issue. But it is. Why? What did I do wrong? I did something wrong setting up these the new weapons here. Let's see. Wait, we have our skins here. Okay. Let's see how this works. Self.metadata.classname. Same skin class. It's got original weapon. Excuse me. Okay. Discontinued weapon, add line, if scan, okay. Is this a category? No, it's just a single item, so why isn't it getting called? Okay, so there seems to be an issue where the class name isn't getting stored. That should get stored on the metadata. But... okay, let me see something. Okay, so all the sweeps just got busted. Okay. Well, I think a good way to figure this out actually is to take a look at the class names that are getting generated for these new weapons, because I think what's happening is the unique name might not be actually created, and here it is. Yeah, that's what's happening here. So there needs to be some form of thing here. If not item.ammo, then why is this getting checked twice? Item.weapon. Okay. If not item. No, this won't work either. mytheme.create keyframe. Um, I don't think that's necessarily the best approach for it. If you're going to be trying to create a theme, you could use the original VGI elements and then just create a table full of like lookup values. So you could have like my theme equals table, and then inside that table you could have like background. So you could index, you could do surface.set draw color my theme.background, and then it would draw that color. Otherwise, if you do want to create your own elements, you could use VGI.register, or I think it's like derma.define control or something like that. And you can create custom panels that way, and you can just override the paint functions in there to have them do exactly what you want them to do. So I'm rubbing my chest right now because it's just really, really sore. I was doing a bunch of push-ups the other day, and it just kind of wrecked me a little bit. Okay, let's see if that fixes it. Might require a map change, actually. Let's just reload the map one more time. Yeah, if you guys have any questions while this changes, feel free to drop them now. Holy shit, I have a bunch of DMs that I need to check. While this changes, I'm just gonna check my my DMs here. Hey, down. I see you in my DMs, bro. Control Shift V. Control Shift V? Oh no, I didn't know that. I'll try that out, dude. Wow. That would have saved me a lot of time in my life. Thanks for the info. Also, by the way, guys, if you guys are not in the Discord yet, I have a little Discord community set up. Lots of nice people in there. Very helpful, very smart people. Recommend joining if you guys need any Lua help with anything. Anything really coding related. You got a channel to show your dogs, your cats, your alligators, tigers, food, all that good stuff. I'll get in there eventually. Is there a way to check if a player is able to drop a weapon? I don't know. I have an NPC that sells the gun you're holding, but I don't want people selling permaguns. So like they buy a permagun from an NPC and then they can't drop it? Is that what you're saying? If so, basically you have this hook here can drop weapon. You have the player and then the weapon, and you can check to see if that weapon is considered permanent for the player. And then if that, like for example, if that weapon is a permanent one, then you just return false, and then they can't drop it. And then you're pretty much chilling. Yeah, there's a lot of hooks. You just search up dark RP hooks, and then everything that you want is here. And then same with dark RP functions. Yeah, no problem. No problem. Okay, so now that we got that, is everything good? Yep, they're fixed. Cool. Oh wait, this one isn't. What is this? This is probably the pickaxe. Pretty sure it is, because if you go to my skins, yeah, pickaxe. Okay. So what seems to be the issue here? Oh, we want here. So I guess I could concatenate the RPM and use that to determine if it's a unique pickaxe. So we can do that. And then let's go into our items here. And I'm actually going to create a new file, sh items_tool.lua. Keep things a bit more organized here. Save, print, yeet. And then let's go into here. And then find everything with the tool. Just like this. Take that there, save that, slap that into here. Boom. And then we go into here, save this a couple times. Close this, close this. Don't need this. This. Don't need this. Save this again. Save that. Then this should be good to work. So now what I'm gonna do, add another pickaxe. Pickaxe, oh. Everything will be fine in just a second, I promise. Oh, and I also realized I left the close button up there. I need to remove that. Silly me. Whoopsie. Okay, we're good. We're back. Okay, I don't know what I want to call these. Let's see. So, where are our tools at? We're here. Let's add in another pickaxe here. Pickaxe, I guess I could just go by the rarity names, but I don't know. Got uncommon. Let's see. I need a cool name for a pickaxe. I'm gonna call this one Rested Pickaxe. The RPM. We'll keep it at the regular base. That's fine. It can just be a regular pickaxe. This one can be a polished pickaxe, polished, and then item rarity underscore common, and then the RPM will be 65, and then we'll say this takes silver bar. Save that, and we got an error. Oh. Item pickaxe has invalid weapon class. Okay, hold on. Oh, that's fine, that's fine. We need to actually... Oh, dude, I have to do another restart for that. Okay, I'll deal with the hatchet. So we got RPM, which is 60. Take this. Slap that there. Hatchet polished. Polish hatchet. Item.rarity underscore common. And then 65 for that. Silver bar for that. Save that. And... or not. Item.original weapon. Pardon me, guys. I'm getting a phone call. I'm gonna answer that real quick. I will be right back. Okay. Back in business. Okay. Item.original weapon equals item.weapon. This is good here. We save this. I think we're chilling. Or not. Okay. There we go. So we got a polished hatchet, polished pickaxe. Looking good, looking good. What happens if I equip this now? We got this hatchet. Which hatchet is this? Also, something I want to do is update the weapon name. item ID equals that. Base equals that. Honestly, I think I'm gonna have to do another map change. I'm so sorry. Just to make sure everything's okay. But it's nice with this, we can do so much more than just the RPM. Eventually we can add in things such as like reach, XP bonuses, and so on. And then I think after that, probably gonna wrap things up for the day. Go get some dinner with my mom. And just take it easy. I'm not leaving just yet, my friend. In a moment. Want to make sure that this is good. I don't know if I want to make it so they can only have one pickaxe in their inventory at once, like in terms of like their toolbar. Or allow them to have multiple. I guess that's fine. I don't understand why my webcam is so damn dark. Let my friend borrow it. Now it's just like pitch black. Let me see if I can fix that. Charlie. I don't think I can adjust any of the settings right now. Thank you, Roddy. Private Wong. Sorry about my boy Charlie. He's a little loud. Oh. Okay. Alright. Thank you. You're a champ. Okay, so now we got, let's see, pickaxe is still good there, skins, pickaxe is fixed there, looking good. Okay. Also, is the pickaxe? Yeah, it's right there. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And then, where's our tools at? So yeah, there we go. We got our polished pickaxe now, so let's try putting that on. Take off one of these watering cans. And I don't see it. Okay, what if I remove this, remove that one, and then add that one? Here it is. Yeah, that'd be good. Thanks, Roddy. You're awesome, man. Okay, I don't know if I'll be able to tell right away. Okay, RPM is pretty high on this one. 65. And what about this one? I mean, click pretty fast on both of these. So the issue here is now, for some reason, you can only have one pickaxe, but I don't know. It's hard to tell which is which. And just to make sure this is still like actually working, let's make a pickaxe, another one. I want to make an insane one. Pickaxe. Insane. Master piece. We'll make this one have like 120. There's no crafting for this one at the moment. Save that. Okay, so this one should go twice as fast. Honestly, I can't tell the difference. Let me try something. Will me get active weapon dot primary dot RPM 100. Why is that 100? Okay, so I don't think it's actually working. Let me print the class. Okay, so this one's just using the regular class right now. Okay, so there might be something that I'm missing here. In terms of the setup, I think it might be actually related to the inventory code itself. Hold up. Alright, give me 1 sec. I gotta look through some sensitive code here. I'll be right back in just a moment. What PC specs am I running? Everything related to my setup is in the description of this live stream, if you're curious about that. But to sum it up, I basically just have like a 1070, GTX 1070, 16 gigs of DDR4 RAM, Ryzen 5 2600X, I'm pretty sure, for CPU. And yeah. Get inventory for item. Item equals self get slot give. Man. So I'm just like digging through so much code right now. The live chat on your mission screen is just a black square? What do you mean? Oh, you mean like the background? Yeah. Set inventory. Okay. Okay, I'm just like digging into a deep hole here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a break from this. I'm gonna come back to it later. Go out to eat, and then maybe live stream again later, or tomorrow, or the next day, or something like that. We'll see. Yeah, I guess that will conclude today's stream. Thank you guys for chilling with me today. We peaked at like 350 viewers. Bye, foggers. Don't call me Daniel, that's weird. Sound like my mom. I'll see you guys later. Have a good day. Make sure to subscribe.